Today, I am talking about another concept created by your mind. That is God. There is no point in asking you whether you have thought about God. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry would have thought. Thinking about God will not take you far. At the most, you can end in belief. Somebody who is respectable, somebody who is, elder in your family, somebody who is a priest or something, somebody who is venerable, somebody who is close to you, your friend, or some books which are holy and which cannot be, contradicted, or final books. There is nothing beyond those books. So those books are talking about God. Because of all these reasons, you are compelled to accept a God. Maybe it can be any shape. There are so many gods, and I need not tell you. Everybody knows. But my only suggestion is, why don't you go to that subject once again and ask yourself, what is God? Who is God? Is he human, animal, plant, or something like that? Then is it, is he male or female? He I am using, don't think that I am a, what is it? The feminists use the word, no? Oh, what is it? Male dominant speaker. Something they use, no? MCP, yeah. I don't think that I am MCP. I am not here. There is no me here. So there is no question of MCP. Even MCP also, if you call, that's also no problem. No issue. You can call me anything. Because I am nothing. So nothing will have any feeling. Nothing will only laugh. So, where is he? What is he? If he is in space, there should be some other objects. What are all the objects other than God? If he is in time, when he is born, when he is going to die. You need to die now. In time. Then time हो गया, space हो गया. And one minute. Thank you. Sorry. This is really wonderful. God came in between and he has given me prasada. So there is one God I have placed there. I will give that to that God. Let the God eat that. So we are inquiring what is God, who is God, is it female or male, is he in time, is he in space? If you go into that investigation, You will not be able to. I can, create a lot of questions. You can also create. What is God? Why is God? Where is God? When is God? So many things you can, so many questions. Your fertile mind can do wonders. You are not aware. Your mind is so powerful. Your brain is so powerful. They have, made you a slave. But they are not the masters. You are the master. Unfortunately, your slaves have, mastered you and they are running your show. Your internal show, your mind is running, and your external show, your brain is running. There is nowhere you. What did I say? Internal, external. Internal show, brain is running. I don't know. Anyway, these people are running. There is no internal, external. Only brain and mind is there. They are running the show, and you are a donkey. You don't know what is happening. You are an unknowing, actually, and you are the boss. It is like, in some government offices, the CEO will be totally, surrendered to the driver or the peon or somebody. Or he may have some, some affair with some ladies and she will run the show. So many cases I have seen. I have seen many, head of the institutions who are run by their wives. They are only puppets. So you have, surrendered to your own slaves. It can be anything. It can be wife. It can be liquor. It can be so many things. You put, so much investment on so many things, and those things will start ruling you. Anyway, I am again, as usual, I am digressing. Let us come back to God. So my only request is go on asking questions about God. You will never get any answer. See, don't think that I am an atheist, because there is no I. A non-existent I cannot be atheist. A non-existent I cannot be believer also. You understand? So this I am, talking, in spite of me. Some thought has come, and since I don't have a free will and choice, I am doing this. That also is wrong. I am not doing. It's happening. I don't know. With this language, this language always divides. This mind always divides. It's a very horrible state, Ignorance is bliss. Now I understand that. Why it is said? Who told that? I don't know. Ignorance is really bliss. One should always be in ignorance. That is what now I have learned. knowledge is slavery. Okay, now you see where we have come. If you ask so many questions about God, then you will come to the conclusion that from your very childhood, small days, when we were small kids, you were taken to the church, you were taken to the temples, you were taken to the mass by your father and mother. They are, living gods. You cannot, go do anything. You are helpless. Whatever your father and mother says and does. And nowadays I am horrified by the acts of fathers and mothers, how they treat their children. Anyway, that is only a dream, no problem. Let them do that. So, what is happening is, it's a belief actually. Like anything else, everything is a belief. So some holy man has told you, your father has told you, brother has told you, your close friend has told you. Everybody, others are believing. They are doing already pujas, kijas, kurbanas, and I don't know, so many things are happening. So it is a mass hysteria. See, all demonstration effect. There is something in Management, they say, demonstration effect. Whatever happens around you will affect you. So ultimately, you will surrender to that concept, just like any other concept. Because you are actually in unknowing. There is no knowing. You feel that you are sitting there in some place and watching this, and you feel that I am sitting here somewhere. Already I told you, nothing is happening. There is no time. The moment you say now, that now is gone. In the now, there is no you, there is no me. Already I told you. So, when you are in the womb, you don't know anything. You are in unknowing. You are in bliss. You are one with this so-called universe, timeless, infinite, omniscient, omnipotent. These are all words. But I am using those words to bring the point that when you were inside your womb, there was no mother, there was no father, there was no world, there was no time, there was no space, there was nothing. That is why I initially told your mind is so powerful. It can create, that creativity of the mind is mind boggling. And the power of your brain is also mind boggling. But you are nowhere there. The only problem there is, I am not saying that there is no brain or there is no you, there is no mind, I am only telling that there is no you there. Many examples I have told you. Car coming against you, or emergency situations, you will not be there. When there is an emergency, when there is a real life death question, you will disappear. My God, I don't know how you missed it. I'm really telling you, if you have got real experience, you would have realized when there is a real life death questions, you will disappear. These people will take over because they will have to survive in your brain and your mind. Brain and mind is one and the same. There is nothing different. Anyway, these are all words. There is no brain, there is no mind. So again, I am digressed. So, yeah, I am telling you. Yeah, okay, yeah, with whoever, in power, whoever in an influential position, they are all believing in God. They are going every week into church. So you are compelled to believe. And if you are not, believing, and if you are not doing what they are asking you to do, then you will be out from the society. Then, yeah, there will be no place for your dead body to rest. I don't know, why do you want a place for your dead body? That is also beautiful. I really, I am surprised at the so-called educated and intelligent human beings. That's also another thing. Human being. What is human being? That's also mental concept. Human being. What is human being? So, if you don't believe in God, if you don't do all those rituals, if you don't do the mosque and church and temple frequently, and if you don't go, if you don't give money, that is another beautiful thing. Some of the religions, they take money compulsorily. Oh God, I came to know about this recently only. Some percentage of money you will have to give to your temple or church or whatever. What is this here? Really horrible, na? You have totally surrendered yourself. Horrible situation. I don't know. In your place it is happening or not. Anyway, I am not giving any money to my temple or church or anything. I don't go to any church. I don't go to any church, temple or anymore. See, there is no suggestion that you should not go. There is no suggestion that you should not believe. There is no suggestion that you should not give money. My only suggestion is investigate what is happening. Who is God? Where is he sitting? What is he doing? Is he in space and time? Is he male or female? Can he help you? Like that, you can, 100 questions you make. And you try to answer. Then you will come, it's only a belief. In one of my previous videos, I told you, you don't know anything. Even now, you don't know anything because there is no now. Without a now, how will you know anything? So you were and you are and you will continue to be in a state of unknowing. But somehow, there is a dissatisfaction in unknowing. So to solve that problem of that unknowing, you created a framework. What is that framework? First you created a I, a false I. There is no I. There's no I. So this I, see, I may tell in that sequence of time, but there is no time. It all happens in timelessly. This I, immediately gets into the body. So I am there. Creation, Big Bang. But then this body, where it has to exist, the body will have to exist somewhere. I and my body will have to exist somewhere. So I created space. Okay, I and space, nonsense. There is nothing else, only I is there. There is no light, there is no sound. So many things you have created with your mind. Your fertile, powerful mind has created Big Bang, Big Bang. I don't know, quantum theory, see, the mind, the things you have created with your mind, if I start telling, 100 years it will not be. It's knowledge. Now I am reminded of your proverbial Adam, Hawa and that apple, the knowledge of apple. The moment you come to knowledge means what? Knowing. Bible also fantastic. They are also given fantastic, hints, but people have not understood it. So the moment your I is provided, knowing starts. Knowing is nothing but your apple of knowledge. That is the crux of the problem. So there is you. So, and your body. Where will your you and your the so-called body exist? You have to create space, no? A space created. Now, what is the point? I myself and a space. You see, you are resolving the issue of unknowing. I am telling you, even now you are living in a stage of unknowing. You don't know anything. There is no you, there is no world, there is no I, there is no me, there is no dyad, there is no triad. You only created this. In one of my last videos, I told you, everybody has created his own world. There are trillions and trillions of worlds. It is not a single world. That means there is no world. If there are trillions and trillions of worlds, then where is the world? That's also mind-made. Okay, so now you created the space. And you are there. But sitting alone in the space is, again unsatisfactory. So you create objects. Okay, you created objects. There is Earth, Moon, whatever. If you are in some alien planet somewhere, you will create according to that this thing. All this I am using your language. For me, there is no universe, there is no, I don't know. Every time, see, my anxiety is that, you may make it into a concept. You should not make it into a concept. I am not talking any concept here. That is the biggest problem. So that is my, problem and my weakness, or my inability, or my, I don't know how to talk about it. So then you created objects. Then also the issue is not over. Okay, you are there. There are so many objects there. None of them are moving. Then what is the use? Then what you will do is you will invent another instrument called time. Then it is perfect. There is time, there is space, there is you, there are others. Then the game starts. Beautiful game. You have fallen down from your bliss of unknowing. Just like, that Adam fellow has eaten the. See, before eating that knowledge, they were all, both of them were naked. If you really, if you have got at least some grey matter here, every one of you would have played with the female children in your childhood days. There was no issue. There was no, there was no male, female. We were all, enjoying. They were all in bliss. I also had a very small child. Now I don't know where she is. A girl child. Now I don't know. That also will be wrong, because again I am creating an I. So I don't want to go into that. So the moment you create all this time, space, yourself inside the body, the whole thing starts. Then what happens, after some time, you have got certain ideas. Already I told you, fastest man, richest man, I don't know, all sorts of agenda you will have. I want to marry a most beautiful girl. I want to produce some 100 children. I don't know, mind is so fertile. It can create any number of, imaginations. I am remembered about a Mongolian king who wanted to. It's all story. There is no Mongolian, there is no Genghis Khan, nothing. It's all your mind creation. So you may take a Mongolian king of Genghis Khan as your role model, and you will start trying to get 10 million children. It's all bullshit, my dear. So your things will get frustrated. You will not be able to become the richest man. You will not be able to become the fastest man. You will not be, whatever your mind tells it you. Then frustration. Then your mind will tell, okay, all these things are there, time is there, space is there, object is there. So there must be somebody who has created all these things. See, somebody should be there. Na? If there is creation, there should be a creator. It goes together. Without a creator, creation cannot happen. Without creation, creator is not there. So you will, invent the final thing, creator. That you call God. And you will start praying that God. And at some point of time, you understand that others are also in the same, situation. So you find that God is a good business proposition. If I can, somehow hijack God, these people will be, coming after God, and I will stay in between the God and these people. Or, I myself will become God. Something like that. So that business starts. Religion. Rest is history, as they say. So, how God is created, how religion is created, how you are trapped in that. I can only tell you your false beliefs and false this thing. To get out of all this so called God, religion, time, space, memory, imagination, the so called I sitting inside the body called carbon, hydrogen, all that, you will have to do it. No books can help you. No gurus can help you. No gurus can help you. Nobody can help you. There's only one way. If you are lucky in your own dream, some guru may come. But that guru is not real. That guru is not in a flesh and blood. It's your own mind. Everything is in your own mind. Even your guru is in your, even your guru is your own creation. There is no external guru. There is nothing outside there. I am telling you, each fellow is creating his own world. And if you decide to live a prison created by yourself, that is your freedom, because you have got you have got unconditional freedom. I don't know what is it. You can create anything. You can go to prison. You can go to whatever you want. You can create. Your power, your mind's power is unlimited. It can create anything, whatever you want. So you have created God. Now you will have to uncreate it. You have created world. You will have to uncreate, dismantle it. You have created time. You will have to dismantle that. You will have to create. You have created space. You will have to dismantle it. You have created a false eye. Whatever this mind has created, only mind can dismantle. For that, you will have to investigate. Simply going after guru, going to church, reading books, all those things will not help. Those who are pursuing, becoming, prime minister, that's all. Let them do it. Don't bother about them. You think about yourself. What is your, they are also in the dream. The so-called presidents, prime minister, all are in your mind only. The world created by your mind. And nobody has gotten a feeling of, I don't know. I don't want to go to duality. So much duality I have already told. You, I, this, that, all. Whatever I have talked is nonsense actually. Because actually nothing is happening. Okay? All the best.